music, not everybody dancer. You get to be spiritually clean and physically clean before you dance. I beg make you watch this video and share them to everywhere. Make the whole world know how Nkanu people in Enugu State they do culture and they receive title. This one you can do it when you don't celebrate your parents. Do the things where you need to do for them. The hand also before it big. Before you will any title pure, before you get clean, do anything in Igbo land. As far as you come from Nkanu, if you never go through this thing, you never become anything. This one are for the prestigious and privileged people where God give blessings to do this. And see, now elders they do it. This one Nkwa Opreke just like you get it. Watch until the end and share the video and tell me what you feel in the comment section. Classic